Hey folks, just updating the dad vlog here and getting ready for the day. It's going to be a long day for me, but I'm glad it's not like yesterday. Yesterday it rained all day. And today we have a beautiful yet kind of chilly fall morning here in southern New Jersey. The sun's shining outside, but it is relatively cold for this time of year. It's about 45 degrees outside, and the high is supposed to be about 60 today. And what we're doing today is we're going to go over to the corn maze across the street, which is owned by my cousin. And the name of the farm is Sahl's Father-Son Farm. And they have a corn maze there, they have hayride, they have a lot of different attractions. And what I'm actually doing today, and hopefully we'll get some footage of this, what I'm actually doing today is driving the tractor for the hayride. Now, I've done this before, but it's been a number of years. It's been a while. So I hope I remember how to drive the tractor. If not, I'm sure my cousin will give me some pointers. And of course, it's going to be a little bit different this year with COVID, unfortunately, with social distancing and masks and things like that. So it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a challenge, but should also be fun. So I'll be driving that tractor from about 9:45 in the morning until after dark. So it's going to be a long day, but if I'm lucky, Rachel and the kids are going to come visit me, and I will be able to take them on a hayride out to the pumpkin patch. So that should be fun. And the other thing that we have going on today is we hopefully have a new camera arriving today. So we won't have to rely as much on shaky cell phone videos and things like that for our channel. So getting some upgrades for our channel little by little. We're just amateurs. We're just starting out, hoping to build our channel. So please subscribe and like. Just to, well, you know how YouTube works. So, but yeah, that's what we have going on today, and hopefully I'll get some good footage of the tractor cam later on. Alright, so here's where the tractors are kept, as you can see. Pretty old, but still in great working order. Good old John Deere. Plenty of hay for the hayride, hopefully. This is a working farm, not just a tourist farm. They do grow things here. Blueberries, strawberries, soy. Used to be a potato farm. My first job was on this farm when I was 13 as a potato bagger. Alright, so let's find out how to get this puppy out of here. Alright, I think I finally got it figured out. It took me about 10 minutes to get these gears figured out, even with a tutorial from my cousin. But as you can see, it's not exactly easy. I think I took a wrong turn, so I got off on foot to investigate. Tried to follow the tractor tracks, but ran out of room. I made a right when I should have made a left. So now I got to figure out how to get out of this. because there is a large piece of irrigation equipment in the way. And as you can imagine, this thing isn't exactly easy to turn around. So, now I gotta call my cousin, have him help me out of this pickle. As you can see, there's not a ton of room to turn around without going into the pumpkin patch. Especially with 2 trailers. So I'm here with my brother-in-law Jackson, and we're about to get our first ride on here. Looks like we have some people that are getting ready to get on the hayride, for better or for worse. I don't know if they know what they're in for, but we'll see.
Hey, Bob.
You.
4 more people are coming.
Oh yeah. 4 more.
That's who you're gonna be shooting.
Corn gun in action. Oh man.
Come on, guys! Come on!
So this is the in-residence food truck. Chef Food Rollin' or Rollin', I'm not sure. I'm gonna say Rollin'.
Going already, Bob?
Bob. Where are you guys based out of?
Right around the corner.
Oh, cool. I live across the street, so.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
I don't even know why they do that.
Alright, so now we're on the hayride as a family. Uncle Jackson is driving, giving me a break. Hi, Kate. What's your favorite part of the corn maze? What?
Walking in the corn maze.
So you like the walking? You like the actual corn? I should have said, what's your favorite part of father-son farm?
Going on that tube.
Oh, some of the stuff that you climb on?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, all the cool stuff that you climb on. Jared, what's your favorite part of the farm? The power poppers? You gotta pay extra for that though, right?
Wait,
Did you?
Power poppers.
What's your favorite part, Bobby?
Definitely the corn maze. Probably playing like tag in the corn maze and everything.
Oh, cool.
And probably basketball too.
Oh, that's right. I forgot that. I was like basketball.
Yeah.
Evan, what's your favorite part? You don't know?
Frisbees, right? Pretty
The
good.
frisbees? Oh, yeah, I can see that. I made a wrong turn earlier today. I made a right down there, and because that's the way it used to be. And fortunately, I was able to just kind of come down along the edge of this field here. But I called Jeremy. I was like, "Is it okay if I drive on the field?" He's like, "Yeah." So it's now just after 6:30 p.m. and been driving most of the day. Took a few breaks to go through the corn maze with the fam and for lunch, and then went home for dinner. But pretty awesome day overall. Obviously gets a little bit mundane on the tractor, but couldn't have asked for better weather. The other nice part was, everybody that came was, super nice and had a great time, and especially with the masks and the social distancing and things like that. Nobody had any complaints. Everybody wore their masks. Didn't have to ask a single person to wear their mask. So that was really nice. And overall, apart from the first half hour just trying to get things figured out, there was a little bit of a technological snafu with the payment processor. So while they were dealing with that, I was busy over getting myself lost. No, not really lost, but trying to figure out the route, since I haven't done this in a few years, and I ended up taking a wrong turn, but it was no biggie. Got myself turned back around, and the rest of the day went very well. All right, well, don't forget to like and subscribe, and look out for our new videos. I have some more coming in a couple of days.